served under President Uhuru Kenyatta's regime, starting to bid farewell to the staff they worked with and to the country. And of course, telling the President Uhuru Kenyatta, thank you for the time, the opportunity you gave us to serve the country. And one of those CSs, he held one of the powerful cabinet ministries here in the country. I'm talking about none other than Dr. Fred Matiang'i, the CS for Interior Cabinet Secretary, and today he gave out his farewell statement. And in that farewell statement, his focus was more on the just ended presidential election, and he talks about, saying that the Supreme Court vindicated security chiefs accused of poll meddling. This is something that was talked about by the chair of IEBC, Wafula Chebukati, during his case, when he was arguing out his case at the Supreme Court. He goes ahead to say that conduct of security officers in the elections, in the just concluded elections, affirms their collective professionalism and due diligence when it comes to overseeing a peaceful process. The other thing, the former, let me not call him the former, but still the Interior Cabinet Secretary talks about the country's security agencies having been lauded by election observers when it comes to protecting Kenyans and also the electoral materials. Matiang'i goes ahead to say, talking about his term in office, the 5 years that he held, that he was the CS for Interior, says that his term in office has been an exciting tour of duty and pleasurable service to his beloved country. That is what he has to say in his farewell letter that he sent to different security agencies, including the DCI, the Inspector General of Police, the National Police Service, and other security agencies that he worked very closely with during his tenure in office. So that is the farewell letter that the CS for